Okay, hello, welcome back. It's day 2 of our pronunciation training, and today we're going to focus on some vowel sounds. Lots of diphthong vowel sounds actually. Diphthongs can be a little tricky if you don't have them in your native language. In English, these vowel sounds are single vowel sounds, but they're dynamic. So even though you're making one single sound, your mouth needs to move, it has to change position to produce that sound. So an example is the sound I, like in buy, my, sigh. The movement of the mouth is I to make one sound. Same with oi, as in boy, oi, one sound, but there's movement. So we're going to focus on some of those sounds today, and it is essential that we warm up. We need to get that blood flowing through our cheeks, through our mouth, through our lips. We're going to be doing a lot of movement today, okay? Okay, so starting our warm-up, I want to just get a little bit of movement through our body first, through your shoulders. We want to let go of any tension that you might be holding across your neck, across your shoulders, even in your back. So I want you to just get a little bit of movement happening right here in your seat. If you're sitting, maybe if you're standing, you could even introduce some movement into your arms as well. We just want to try and get some blood flowing. It's so good for you, isn't it? Could do it all day. Okay, so once you've loosened up some of the muscles around your neck and your head, that's good. Now I want you to really focus on inhaling some air. Firstly, I just want you to fill your lungs with air, and as you release, I want you to push it out with the sound. Okay, good. Any sound is fine. And now I want you to not just fill your lungs with air, but fill your body with air, your belly with air, all the way down into your belly. Whew, Emma, you need to blow your nose. Good. Okay, we're warming up the voice. That's good. Have you ever been to a concert where some rapper's up there going, ho, hey, ho, hey? This is the perfect time to do it. Ho, hey, ho. All right, let's focus now on our lips, all right? So bring your lips right out and then pull them wide. So go. Okay, good. Now I want to focus on the jaw a little. Just wobble it side to side. Keep it open and just wiggle it like this. Get a little bit of movement in there. And then open your jaw wide. I've got a really cracky jaw. Maybe yours is doing the same. Good. All right, let's introduce our tongue. Do a little more warm up with our tongue. So push the tongue around the outside of your lips. And reverse it. Good. All right. And then do the same on the inside of your cheeks through your mouth. You might like to take the tip of your tongue and run it around your teeth from left side to right side. And do it on the bottom. Don't do it if it hurts, but if you've got really ground down teeth like mine, it should be fine. And a big sigh. If you can yawn, try that. In today's training, it is essential that you exaggerate the movement of your mouth. Your tongue, your lips, everything needs to be exaggerated in order for you to make these sounds really well. The bigger and the more obvious, the better. Even though you wouldn't do that as you're speaking naturally, but in order to get your muscles working, exaggerating that movement is a good thing. Okay, let's start with some of our pronunciation drills. So we're just going to practice some of these sounds. E, O, E, O, E, O, E, O, A, O, A, O, A, O. Good. See how I'm exaggerating that movement? I want you to do that too. So, show, see, she's. So, show, see, she. So, show, see, she. What weed would we? What weed would we? Good. Now let's focus on some of those diphthong sounds, okay? How, ow, 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 ow. How, bow, now, cow. A, hey, day, bay, say. Air, hair, bear, care, tear. O, go, no, toe, row. Okay, let's mix up those sounds a little now, okay? Beer, boy, bow, buy, bear, bay. Beer, boy, bow, buy, bear, bay. Good. Here, hair, how, hey, hi. Here, hair, how, hey, hi. Whew. Okay, good. Now let's practice some of those tongue twisters. And remember, we're focusing on vowel sounds in this video. Betty Botter bought some butter. Betty Botter bought some butter. Good. Greek grapes ground great. Greek grapes ground great. Good. Near an ear, a nearer ear, a nearly eerie ear. Near an ear, a nearer ear, a nearly eerie ear. Whew. Birdie, birdie in the sky laid a turdy in my eye. Birdie, birdie in the sky laid a turdy in my eye. That one's a little bit silly. Try it. Awesome work. Practice with this video as many times as you like on your own at home. You can do it as many times as you like. See you in the next video.